Santu. So ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Santu Arwa. He is the most spectacular rider. So look at this. Oh, this is the Santu Arwa, fabulous rider and most attractive fans fall over there. Not boys. This is the one. Santu, good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Best of luck. You have to get champion. So this is Santu Arwa.
Hi, sir.
Arfaz.